Baking makes people super happy. They feel like themselves when they are baking. People of all ages are learning baking every day. For themselves, for their children, or for their grandchildren. As a hobby or as a profession. Baking unites families. You can bake with them or you can bake for them. For some, it's meditative, and for some, it's an outlet for creativity. And if you love the entire process, eventually you can develop it into a business as well. Hi, I'm Dipti Harshad Vartak. I feel happy to see people happy because of my bakes. So if you want to bring smile to others' face, and if you want to learn baking, then click on the sign up button below and register for our Kickstarter baking workshop. Let's make the world a happy place.